You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this city, located in Texas. We'll be looking at how to say more names of famous places around the US and Texas that are confusing and that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Nacogdoches. Nacogdoches. Stress on that third do syllable. Nacogdoches. Nacogdoches. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me a lot. Thanks much for your support. More videos for you here on how to pronounce more names that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.